I wish to share with you a concept called as passive aggressive behavior. So this particular concept of passive aggressive behavior is very important to understand why a person does not do an action, especially when you tell them, hey, do the action. And the more and more you tell them, the more and more they do not do. Sure, in your life, you come across such people.
Every day, sir.
Every day. So let's understand. So passive aggressive behavior is when typically when one or both parents are very strict or disciplinary. So being a strict or disciplined parent, which model operator they would use more of? Have to, need to, should, model operator of necessity. You must do this. Up, in my opinion, up till age 10, it is completely okay for parents to use have to, need to, should, and must because they are inculcating the values, or as we say, sanskars, right? So, in my opinion, up till age 10, fine. But after age 10, parents being very strict and disciplinary, you must do this, you need to do this, you have to do this, you should not. And the society also bombards, you should not do, this is bad, this is wrong, this is right. Now, as a child who's moving into teenage, what is their mindset?
Rebellion.
Rebel. More and more you tell me, I will not do. Now, this child, at the face of authority in this context, the parents, they can't give a back answer. Because if they give a back answer, so they can't give a back answer. So at that time, they do some naughty based activities. For example, it's an important meeting, father has to go, they will do some mischief, maybe hide a shoe or some mischief they'll do. And then amongst the relatives, they'll be like, ye to naughty child. He's a naughty child. Now up till that age, it's completely fine. Okay, naughty, that's fine. But in the college, what is known to be bad? Drugs, smoking, drinking. Society says that, that's bad. I will do that. Because I get a thrill of it. More and more it's no, I will do that.